So I'll be showing you how to mute the on and off sound of your JBL Charge 6. You know those sounds the speaker makes when you turn it off and when you turn it on. Those sounds. So to mute them, and of course the Bluetooth connection sound as well. So to mute those sounds, just just open the JBL Portable app on your phone. As long as your phone is connected to the speaker, that will bring up the Charge 6 page. And once the page opens up, you want to tap on product information. And then under product information, you can go ahead and tap on feedback tone. And you can see the button here and you can turn it off, and that's going to mute your feedback tones. So now you can switch off your speaker quietly. And if you want to turn it on quietly as well, just press that button and the sounds have been muted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.